Fanjing Mountain, isang natural ay medieval. Like a masterpiece of nature amidst clouds. Fanjing Mountain, standing over 8,200 feet high in Guizhou, China, is a breathtaking blend of majestic peaks and floating seas of clouds. Its crown jewel is the Red Cloud Golden Summit, where two ancient temples, Shakya and Maitreya, sit atop twin peaks connected by a narrow floating bridge, a true marvel suspended between heaven and earth. From the summit, visitors can gaze over endless waves of green forests and rolling mountain ranges. As sunlight pierces through the cloud sea, the entire scene glows with a golden hue, creating a surreal and awe-inspiring spectacle. This journey is an unmissable experience for those who love nature and seek tranquility.